Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. People who are viewing my channel for the first time, please do subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for the recent updates. Today we're going to see the important tips to travel from India to USA. First, let's check about the airlines which is allowed for all visa types from India to USA. Right now, Qatar, Air India and United are the three airlines which allow all types of visa to travel. So Emirates also allow all types of visa because people traveled a couple of weeks back, the H4 and H1 from India to USA, but still there is a lot of questions whether Emirates is still following the proper guidelines or not. So few of my friends are traveling on first week of February and second week of February in Emirates. They have already booked the tickets from India to USA. So we'll confirm after they reach it. So we'll be sharing in the pinned comment. So right now these are the only 4 airlines which is trusted from India to USA. So start booking your flights from these airlines. Now let's check about what are the documents which is required to travel from India to USA. Right now the US has imposed a rule that all the passengers who are traveling via air should carry the negative COVID results. So this includes 2 years old and above. So even the kids 2 years and above should carry the negative results. That negative results should be taken within 72 hours of the departure time. So imagine if your flight is on 30th Jan and you should have the report, you should have tested after 27th morning. So this is the example. So make sure this falls under this criteria. You have to provide the lab result with the letterhead on it. So the people should acknowledge the lab. They would like to see the lab, which lab you have taken, and then this lab should be approved by the ICMR. So this is the criteria to travel from with the COVID result to travel from India to USA. This is one of the main one. So after COVID result, other documents are like the consent forms. Each airlines have their own consent forms. So if Qatar have a different one. So Air India and United will provide their consent form in the flight itself. So if you can download the form beforehand, it's well and good. You can download and start filling in the details like where the test has taken and what's your passport number, just some general questions in the consent form. So make sure you fill the form and keep it ready. So these are the two main things you have to carry while coming to USA, and I have given some details regarding the ICMR approved lab. I have given the link in the group video description, so to have a look at it. These labs will be keep on updated, like new labs will be included in your local area too, so keep a watch on it. These are the example because for Tamil Nadu you have to go to the T section and scroll down to see for Tamil Nadu or any other states. Just scroll down to check your centers. Both government and private centers have listed separately, so whichever is comfortable, you can take the centers in that. Most of the labs give the result in 1 to 2 days, so this should be well and good for you to travel with these lab results. So the main thing is the COVID results. Next is the consent form. If the airlines had a separate one, the another one is the visa documents and the passport, which you always carry. Other frequently asked questions are what happens if the flight is delayed. Imagine you have booked a flight on Jan 30th and you have taken the test after 27th, but the flight got cancelled or rescheduled to Jan 4th or February 4th or something like that. Then the thing is you have to do the test again, which has to fall under the 72 hours period. Next frequently asked question would be like what if the connecting flight which you take is more than 24 hours transit time. Imagine if you're traveling via Paris and there is a connecting flight, like a different flight. So and the transit time is more than 24 hours. If that's the case and if doesn't meet the 72 hours criteria, then you have to do a test again. If the flight is of the same straight booked, then it's not a problem. If there is a different flight you are booking with the more than 22 hours transit time, then you have to do the test again. Next frequent question would be like, what if I test negative before I boarded the flight, and do I need to get tested again when you land on USA? This The CDC does not recommend mandatory test after landing here, but it would recommend you to go for quarantine for complete 10 days. So if you wanted to test again, like after 3-4 days, you have to get tested, but still you have to do a self quarantine for 7 days. Another doubt is like, what if I recently recovered from COVID-19? So CDC does not recommend anyone testing again within the 3 months of period after you recovered. So, but when if you wanted to travel, you need to get a letter from your healthcare provider stating that you have recovered completely. They need the documentation of the recovery to get noted. So these are some important questions and doubts which you get when traveling from India to USA. If you have any other questions, always do comment below. We'll be happy to answer all of your questions, or you can always email us to newyorknanban@gmail.com. So I have given some links about for the CNN and some latest guideline links you can see in the description regarding the travel. These plans keep changing. We'll be updating you whenever the new change comes, so keep stay tuned. Please subscribe and share subscribe to our channel and share the video. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you again.